Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show or hide file extensions on Windows 10 PC. By default, Windows 10 hides known file extensions. However, if you need for any purpose such as troubleshooting, you can show or hide these file extensions on Windows 10 PC using two methods. For this, first open File Explorer by pressing Windows plus E key on the keyboard. Then click on this one View and then check this one option here, File Name Extensions, and then you will find that your Windows 10 PC immediately starts showing extensions for the file names. Otherwise, in case you want to disable showing file extension, again click on this one View option and then uncheck this one option, File Name Extensions. This will immediately hide file extensions on your Windows 10 PC. Another one method is through folder options. For that, click on this one View option in the File Explorer window and then click on this one Options. Under Options, click on this one Change Folder and Search Options. This will open folder options on your Windows 10 PC. Here, switch to View tab and then uncheck this one option, Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Then click on this one Apply button and then click on this one OK button. This will start showing known file extensions on your Windows 10 PC. And to hide this one file extensions, again open File Explorer, then click on this one View option, then click on this one Options and then click Change Folder Options, and in the folder options window switch to the View tab and then check this one option, Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Then click on this one Apply and then OK button. This will immediately hide all the file extensions for known file types on your Windows 10 PC.